10 powerful ways to save money every month. Hello, Money Masters. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for everything personal finance. If you're new here, remember to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, so you never miss out on golden nuggets to financial freedom. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to discover the top 10 most effective ways to save money every month. Trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end, because number 1 is an absolute game changer. Number 10. Make a budget. Kicking us off at number 10, let's talk about budgets. Budgets? You say, that sounds dreadfully dull. But think about this, folks. Did you know that Michael Jordan used to strategically budget his games and practice sessions to maximize his performance? We all know how that turned out, right? The same principle applies to your money. By giving every dollar a purpose, you'll quickly identify areas of overspending and regain control of your financial future. Number 9. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. At number 9, we urge you to scrutinize and cancel unnecessary subscriptions. We often forget about that monthly streaming service, the magazine subscription we hardly read, or the gym membership we don't utilize enough. Cancellation not only saves you money, but it declutters your expenses. Plus, who doesn't love a little extra space in their budget for things they genuinely enjoy? Number 8. Cook at home. Moving on to number 8, cooking at home. Now I know, we all enjoy a good takeaway, but have you tried donning the chef's hat? It's more than just a hobby. It's a surefire way to keep your wallet heavy and your health in check. Plus, you can't beat the feeling of accomplishment when you plate up an Insta-worthy meal. Number 7. Use public transportation or carpool. Our lucky number 7 is, use public transportation or carpool. Aside from the obvious benefits like saving on gas, car maintenance, and parking fees, it's an excellent opportunity to catch up on your reading, finish that podcast episode, or simply take a breather. It's not just about saving money. It's about optimizing your time and reducing your carbon footprint too. Number 6. Automate savings. Halfway to our top spot, at number 6, we've got a tech-savvy saving trick. Automate your savings. Consider this your personal financial butler, taking care of your savings without you needing to lift a finger. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account ensures you stick to your savings plan. Now that's what I call 21st century saving. Number 5. Buy in bulk. At number 5, we're going big with buy in bulk. No, we're not suggesting you hoard toilet paper for a decade. But buying non-perishable items that you use regularly in larger quantities can save you a surprising amount. Plus, who doesn't enjoy skipping a few trips to the store? Number 4. Negotiate bills. Coming in hot at number 4, we're urging you to embrace negotiation. It's like haggling at the marketplace, but this time it's with your service providers. Many companies, from your internet provider to your insurance company, may be willing to give you a better deal if you simply ask. So, put on your negotiation hat and start dialing. Number 3. Shop with a list. Our bronze medalist, at number 3, is shop with a list. Impulse purchases can play havoc with your budget. So, before you head to the store, make a list and stick to it. You'll be amazed at how much you save by avoiding those little extras that seem to sneak into your cart. Number 2. Sell unused items. Just missing our top spot at number 2, it's time to embrace your inner Marie Kondo and sell unused items. That dusty exercise bike, those untouched books, even the old clothes you haven't worn in years, they could all be converted into cash. Not only will your savings account thank you, but so will your newly decluttered living space. Number 1. Set financial goals. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 tip, the jewel in our money-saving crown, set financial goals. Having a specific target, whether that's saving for a dream vacation, paying off your student debt, or buying a new car, makes saving money so much more than a chore. It transforms it into a thrilling mission with an exciting end goal. Remember, folks, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So there you have it, the definitive top 10 ways to save money every month. But remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all formula. Your journey to financial freedom is unique, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video valuable, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below to let us know your favorite money-saving tip or any topic you'd love for us to cover in the future. We're all ears. Until next time, keep hustling, keep saving, and stay savvy.